In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Apollo.io account in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to Apollo.io or looking to streamline your lead management and sales engagement processes, setting up an account is the first step towards maximizing your efficiency and boosting productivity. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, it doesn't matter. What's important here is that you have access to the internet so that you can connect to Apollo.io. Once your browser is open and ready to go, the next step is to navigate to the search bar and type in Apollo.io. Hit enter, and you'll see Apollo.io's official website listed in the search results. Once you're on the Apollo.io homepage, look for the Sign Up button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to initiate the sign-up process. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either sign up using your email address or opt for a quicker route by signing up with Single Sign-On, or SSO, options like Google or Microsoft. If you choose to use your email, go ahead and enter it, along with any other required information. Alternatively, if you opt for Google or Microsoft, simply follow the prompts to link your existing accounts. Remember, Apollo.io values security and privacy, so ensure your credentials are strong to protect your new account. Also, if you're linking an SSO, make sure it's a work-related account if you're planning to use Apollo.io for business purposes. After you've successfully signed up, the platform will guide you through a brief onboarding process. During this stage, you may be asked a few questions to help tailor the experience to your specific needs. This is an excellent chance to explore what Apollo.io has to offer in terms of tools and features to optimize your experience. Once you've completed onboarding, you'll be directed to your personalized dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can begin familiarizing yourself with the various features that Apollo.io provides. Take your time exploring the dashboard because understanding its components will empower you to make the most of what Apollo.io offers. And there you have it, a brand new Apollo.io account set up and ready to go. With your account now open, you can start browsing through leads, setting up campaigns, and utilizing the various tools Apollo.io has to offer to enhance your business strategies. Remember to keep exploring and make use of their support resources if you need any guidance along the way. Thanks for joining me today, and happy exploring on Apollo.io.